I'm back with my next 1000% opportunity in the stock market. I rarely make these videos because I have to research these stocks for a while before I find one that I really like. The last ones include SESAI, which I already made 200% on, robotics, which I made 300% on, Intel making 90% in just 3 weeks, and AMDL, which I bought at $2.90. Finally closed out just this last week at over $20 for a 580% gain. I know I always say this, but send this video to everyone you know that you want to see making money in the stock market, because I'm putting you on for free. You might as well do the same for them. This was my first $20,000 month. We're also up about $40,000 in the last 3 months. And I'm really setting myself up to see more massive months like this by buying these undervalued stocks. So log in, pay attention. This could be life-changing money for you, as you've seen. Before I show you my next massive position, drop me a follow because I post these videos every single day completely for free. Save this video, you're going to need it as a reminder when the market keeps pulling back. Remember, I buy all my favorite stocks as the market pulls back. That way, when it starts going up again, I'm already up so much more than the average investor. The stock is DEFT, that's DeFi Technologies. Let me show you guys why I'm buying and how much I expect to make. There are a lot of reasons for this to actually go and hit the 1000% target that I'm looking for. First of all, it's pulled back significantly this month. They had one very red day going down 20%. They're actually down from their IPO still. It IPO'd at $5. Since then, it's dropped 50%, trading at a huge discount compared to the money they make. As you guys know by now, almost every one of my very successful stocks experiences a similar move like this. It's in a downtrend for a while, but then starts hitting profitability. And when great news comes out about them, that's when they have their massive moves up and explode, outperforming everything else. You guys know I love suspicious insider buys, and that's exactly what we're seeing. They have been loading up very recently too. And that's because their next earnings coming out in less than a month looks to be a huge leap in profitability. This is a stock trading at a huge discount while they're making more money. Like Rich Tech Robotics, unlike SESAI, Lucid, all those stocks that are actively losing money ahead of their big partnerships, the stock is already making the money, but it gets better. You guys are not going to believe this. There's so much incredible news in this one screenshot. First of all, the stock price is cheap, but the forward PE is also very cheap as well. They've got high net income and they don't have that many shares. The worry here is that they might add more to raise more money. Guys, they are trading at only a $700 million market cap. We are still incredibly early considering it was over $1 billion and now it's under. This is the most insane part. You've seen all of this information so far about why it's worth buying the stock in a downtrend, but let's talk about an uptrend. It's right now in the perfect combination of a strong sell according to the technicals because it's been a downtrend, but also a strong buy according to analysts. That's when I come in and buy these stocks. Then here's the crazy part. 184% expected upside for the next year. And guys, this is on TradingView, who are always extremely conservative with their price targets. At this point, if you're not in the community,